I want to thank today's video sponsor, Simply Safe. Thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. It is 7 a.m. I am never up this early, so I've been doing wind sprints all morning, trying to get my heart rate up, trying to have some energy for you guys. But we have some exciting news. I have a buddy taking delivery of a Carbon Series 4 GT, but we're here at Mix and Models to pick up the Aventador. It has been completely unwrapped. This is the only car that I have in the state of Utah, so we're gonna be daily driving this car for the next couple days. The Raptor and Oscar are at Oscar's grandparents' house in Oregon. The door's locked. The owner's gonna be here soon, hopefully. Nothing came to me. Wait, are you still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I just told Stefan, put the camera up and something's gonna come to me. It's so early. I never vlog before 10 a.m. That's like my first rule, never before 10 a.m. But the 4 GT is being delivered at 8:30 a.m., so we had to get up. We got the first gen Gallardo right here. We got the 599, the 720S, and the R8, but the Aventador and the Argos look so good. So the car's been completely unwrapped. The white wheels, I'm telling you, it looks like a creamsicle. That is sick. Get a couple baby reps just for you guys. The Oroncio Argos looks so good in this Utah early morning sun. The white wheels, so the car's been completely unwrapped. It looks sensational. And go! 70 miles per hour is plenty fast. The pioneers walked. That's true. They didn't have a V12 though. Welcome here to Garage Grill and the Saleen S7. Yo, that's the only one in the state of Utah. I have not seen one of those in forever. Lots of good news. I did not get pulled over and the truck has not arrived quite yet. It's gonna be here momentarily. There's no day more exciting than delivery day. This could have been us, but the Ford executives rejected us. I've heard the rumors of this car being in Utah, but I have never actually seen it. It reminds me of like an early 90s XJ220 with this crazy long tail. These cars are so crazy. I love all the gills all over this car. What do you think? Like a Saleen S7 I think trades for right around $750,000. Should I consider one of these instead of the Bugatti or the P1? How do you get into this thing? Look at this. Do you see my thighs right now, Stefan? Are you paying attention to my thighs? My thigh is wedged between the steering wheel and the center. How would you drive this thing? This is worse than a Countach. This is so cool though. 262 miles on this. There's only 15 Saleen S7 twin turbos existing in the world, 700 foot-pound of torque. This car is basically a Widowmaker. We're obviously not gonna drive it today, but wow.
What is this mess of legs down here? The thigh vlog is alive and well.
Imagine rolling up somewhere, you feel like the coolest person ever, and then you try to get out of this. Oh my gosh. We're good. All right. I realize why it has 262 miles on it. I'm getting a little bit jealous. This could have been us. Oh, the owner's been waiting for this GT for 2 years, every day, waking up every morning, waiting for his 4 GT. The owner of Garage Grill, this is his GT. He owns the S7, the 4 GT. This is one of 2 4 GTs in the state of Utah. Looks so good, finished there in jet black. It's got all the carbon fiber you could ever imagine. Oh, delivery day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Unfortunately, this is not at my house over there, but wow. The design on this car is so revolutionary. There's nothing that looks quite like it except for maybe the first gen Ford GT. I think Ford did such a great job. That's right, I'm sucking up to the Ford executives right now, trying to convince them one last ditch effort to get me a new Ford GT. That carbon stripe is wicked. They're gonna load the Ford GT into Garage Grill. If you guys have never been here, be sure to check them out. They got pizza, and the pizza is very, very, very good.
Okay, second Ford GT in Utah. Where's the level of FOMO landing?
No, the level of FOMO is very, very high. Off camera, I've been whining and complaining a lot. I've been rejected my whole life though, so I'm pretty used to this. It's pretty much par for the course, but honestly, like, he is gonna love that car. Massive congratulations to the owner of Garage Grill on the 4 GT. Life's not so bad though. We got a V12 Lamborghini Aventador, a little Monday morning car show. I think it's time to go full send. Full send? Full send. Full send. A week ago I sold my 4 GT. Had I known it was gonna be 4 GT day in Utah, I would have waited. It's not a twin turbo V6, it's a V12. I thought that was a cop next to me for a split second. Luckily it was an irrigation guy, so we're good. We're good. In a crazy sequence of events, the only car that I can drive in the state of Utah is the Aventador. All the other cars have been sold. 2 months ago, I had 8 cars. I had no idea where to park any of the cars, and now we only have a Lamborghini. That's not that I'm complaining, that is not a bad thing. And on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Simply Safe. You guys know how much I love my Simply Safe home security system. I first installed it here at Nick's house about 1.5 years ago, and I have used it every single day since. You can access a live feed via your cell phone via the security cameras to get instantaneous feedback to make sure that your valuables are safe. Maybe it's your home or your family or your pets or even your cars or your privacy. Simply Safe has their amazing doorbell camera. When that door-to-door salesman comes knocking on the door trying to sell you pest control, you know not to answer the door and waste an hour of your time. When UPS drops off a package, maybe you're not home, you can call one of your neighbors and they can go pick it up. Or if somebody does steal that package, you can send the security footage to the police. You can get started with Simply Safe for right around 50 cents a day, and there's no contracts required. I have 10 Simply Safe security cameras positioned around the house to monitor different areas. One right there. We have one more over there. I have 2 more in the garage right there and right there. Obviously for me personally, the garage is where most of my valuables are. I also have motion sensors at all the entry-exit doors, discreetly placed, barely noticeable to even the trained eye. Now the installation process took me about an hour, and you guys know I'm an idiot. Now all you have to do is check out the link below to simplysafe.com/Stradman. And remember guys, Simply Safe is monitored by professionals 24/7, and they will alert the police if necessary. Check out the link below, simplysafe.com/Stradman. Mail time, mail time, mail time. If my calculations are correct, which they're usually not, this is actually for one of you guys. There's always another box within the box. Do not put on shelf before June 1st of 2020, Lamborghini, yes. This is so cool. This is properly sick. This is the new Lamborghini Cyan, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the new Lego Technic set. 3,696 pieces. This Lego set is effectively impossible to find in the stores right now. And if you want it and you haven't been able to find it, listen closely because one of you guys can win this. We haven't done a giveaway in forever. You don't have to spend any money. You hardly have to do anything whatsoever. I'm gonna post this photo right here on my Facebook page. Go like the photo, go like my Facebook page, and you're automatically entered to win the Lamborghini Scion. You don't have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't have to like this video. You don't have to go follow me on Instagram. There's a link to my Instagram below, so that'll plug right there. All you have to do is like this photo on Facebook, like my Facebook page, and you're automatically entered to win the Lamborghini Scion. But seize the moment because the giveaway ends in 5 days. We have some good news and we kind of sort of have some bad news. So I was gonna go film a 1,500 horsepower Nissan GTR that shoots flames from here to Mississippi, but the deal kind of sort of fell through, so that's not gonna happen. Then when I say the deal, I'm not gonna buy a Nissan GTR. The deal filming the car, anyways, scrap that. The good news though, my architect just finished the 3D rendering of the inside of my house and I wanna share it with you guys. It is absolutely epic. You guys have seen the exterior, you've seen the piece of land. We're now finally starting to make some traction. We have the interior done. The next step is the engineering. Realistically, the house will be done in 2039. Yo, Barlacker, where you at? I need some comedic relief. So here is the house. What do you think?
I've seen it. It's awesome. I'm sold.
Check this out though.
Okay.
We got the 3D model rolling in sequence. This is what it's gonna be like driving. That's so cool. And then the sharp turn, straight into the garage. Boom.
Wow. Are you gonna be able to go through the door in real life or?
Yeah, there might be a lot of broken glass, but I think so. Check that out, boys. Isn't that sick?
Okay.
I kind of ruined the rest of the house because everything else is pretty boring compared to this. How cool is that though? So we got all the columns right here.
Yep.
I need to remove those because from a parking standpoint, not very good.
Right. Is that okay, that's a beam, not a loft. Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
No, that is a loft.
That's a loft, yeah. Yeah, we'll go up there
Sweet.
soon. So this is the office. You got the glass walls with that like modern staircase, but check that out. That is so sick. Okay, we're gonna try to go in here. So it's a little bit shaky. If you guys get like dizzy at all, don't worry about it. I'm terrible at video games, but check that out. So that's gonna be the view from the office. You'll be able to look out through the glass windows, see all the cars.
Yep.
Desk right there.
Yep.
That's all you got. I brought this guy in for
Well,
comedic relief, and all he's got is yep.
Do you want comedic relief or logistical like issues that you're gonna have?
Well,
Do you
what
want me to-
logistical issues would there be? I
like
filmed.
Fortnite. Remember that time you played Fortnite?
Don't remind
It was like,
everybody.
this guy did a Fortnite video. Like, he played it for 8 hours, didn't kill a single person in 8 hours.
No.
Oh, did you
For
kill-
7 hours and 45 minutes, I didn't kill somebody,
Okay.
and then in the final 15 minutes, I did kill somebody. So now we're on the second story loft.
Okay.
Back on topic.
Yep.
Check this view out though. Like looking down on the cars.
Yep.
Isn't that gonna be crazy?
That's kind of like the view that's going to be in my garage.
Wow, subtle plug right there for his garage. Are you kidding me? And then check this out. So this is the section over the Sky Bridge right here. This is where we're going to be starting our podcast. Burlacker doesn't know this. We're starting a podcast. You guys didn't know that either. We're starting a podcast, and this is going to be the studio right here.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I like it.
Look at the view out the front window.
Am I going to be just in the corner right there? Is that my spot?
Yeah.
Just a little dunce cap. And
the way this is going right now, I'm not sure we're going to need you anymore. But, so we can actually, on this, we can just jump out. Boom.
Okay.
Okay, and now we're out.
Fortnite.
We're back out. So that's going to be pretty sick. Now, I don't think we can go through these. Oh, no, we can. So yeah, there's a 12-car garage. There's 8 cars over there. This has room for 4 cars. We squeeze right in here. I love the brick interior walls. Isn't that cool?
Is it 2 and 2? Like
it's 2, 2, and 8.
2, 2, and 8.
2, 2, 8. That's 12, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Sick.
And then, scroll through here. This is like the hallway to the kitchen, the dining room. So obviously, like, none of the kitchen, none of the appliances are in the house quite yet. The kitchen's gonna go right here.
What tone of gray are you using on the walls? Oh, you're not there yet.
We're not, bro.
Okay.
Seriously, this is the living room though, which is gonna be pretty cool. Look at that
sick.
fireplace.
Okay.
Check that out. You don't have a fireplace.
No, we're actually building one though.
There it
We're
is.
going
I knew that was
fireplace
coming.
shopping
Of course
Thursday.
you are. Of course. As soon as I announce I'm getting a fireplace, this is the front door. We're gonna bounce out there. We're gonna start this home tour.
Okay.
The other side of the home tour right here.
Well, so you're gonna have in the front of the house like gates and trees and all this landscaping.
Yeah,
stuff
yeah,
too,
yeah,
right?
yeah. There's no shrubbery yet. We're gonna have a lot of shrubbery.
So it's
gonna be sick.
Opulent?
No.
Tasteful.
Probably, tasteful, exactly. So main hallway right here, living room, and that staircase sick. So here's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
I want to get this wall right here. I want to get it reinforced so you can hang a car on it.
That is like there's a
great
subtle
idea.
flex, and then there's like what's above a subtle flex, because that's what that is.
Well, the Lamborghini Museum has an Aventador Roadster on the wall. It is so cool. I'll put a picture of it right here. It is incredible. So I'm not thinking an Aventador Roadster.
Are you gonna put your hypercar up on the wall?
No, I don't. Well, maybe I buy like a salvage Gallardo or something and gut it out and put it on the wall. I think that'd be really cool.
Yep.
And then we're gonna try.
You gotta back up real quick.
Oh, okay.
Walking in with that glass, that viewpoint there. That's a statement.
It is a statement, absolutely. And the master bedroom is right here.
Nice. Okay.
So a nice little master bedroom, master bath, master closet over there.
Okay.
We're gonna try to climb up these stairs. This could get a little sketchy. Up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs. Isn't that a pretty cool view right there?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
With the car hanging on the wall right
Yep.
there. That's gonna be
sick.
sick.
Yep.
So that's pretty much it. So down this hallway, we got a bunch more bedrooms and whatnot.
Yeah.
So
There
the
we
plan eventually
There we go.
is to put a detached garage. Oh, come on. Sorry. If you guys are vomiting right now because of the motion sickness, I apologize. I'm terrible at video games, and this is about as close as we get to that. So, detached garage right here. The theme of this courtyard is to have garage doors from every single direction.
Yeah.
And then the go-kart track over here, the pool over here, your putting green. I know, it's a surprise.
Whoa.
It's Burlacker's birthday. Wish him a happy birthday. Go to his Instagram, wish him a happy birthday. Happy birthday, he just turned 29.
I mean, all of that's a lie, but you can still go to my Instagram.
So this project will be completed in about 3 or 4 years. And on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. Today's video is pretty much over, but there's this hypercar that I've been looking at for the last couple of weeks, and I'm trying to decide if I want to make an offer. Now, I've been waiting on service records, and I just found out that the service records can't be provided. I think they got lost or something, I'm not really sure. So I'm trying to decide, like a hypercar without service records, is that too risky? Obviously for resale one day, it's gonna be extremely vital. Maybe I ask for a discount, I just don't know what to do. This hypercar purchase, it is stressing me out so much. I wanna get the car ASAP, but I'm trying to be patient, but at the same time, I want it because summer is coming to an end very, very soon. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button, but just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.